Hello, officially welcome to the vlog. We have arrived in, I don't know how you pronounce it, Almeria. But you'll have seen some clips of us travelling here, driving from Malaga Airport. Actually mad to be sat here. Obviously you can hear a little doggy barking, but it's actually mad to just be sat here and I can literally watch the sea as I'm about to do my makeup. Like what a privilege that is. My skin feels so dry. I think just from like a long day yesterday, but obviously then the plane. I was so glad that I didn't wear any makeup yesterday because I just don't think I would have had the energy last night to like proper scrub my face to get it all off. I'm just popping on some of the Glow recipe. What actually are you? Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. This is actually a lifesaver. I put this on yesterday with this Elemis moisturiser I'm going to follow up with in a sec. I lathered it on before I went on the plane, like before I left the hotel in the morning. Oh, and I'm not gonna lie, it really did work wonders on the plane for me. Also, I want to say thank you so much, by the way, to all of you nice messages about me losing my job. It's been a bit of a weird one. Like, it's been kind of like everything happens for a reason, but also like hard to process at the same time. Like, it is just one of them things, unfortunately. Like, redundancies happen so much, and it's such a hard thing, like I said before, because I wasn't there long enough to be made redundant. Like, my job role just was no longer needed. They had like a restructure, my role wasn't needed anymore. Yeah, it's been so bizarre having time off. Like, I was ill. This is like technically my second week of being unemployed. My first week I was so ill, like so ill. I think it was like all the adrenaline coming out of my body. Like, I was just so full of cold and honestly just wanted to rip my nose off. God help future me, because I've just filmed this makeup. I'll show you properly in the better lighting because I'm like hidden behind the wardrobe at the moment. But God help future me in that TikTok that I've just filmed doing my makeup, because there is so much content, because I'm just so used to blabbing rubbish. And obviously TikTok, you don't really have the time to do that and people don't really care. Whereas YouTube, people like come to watch longer stuff, do you know what I mean? So that was an experience. I don't really know what to do with my hair. You can start to see my makeup. I've literally made such a mess. I'm obsessed. I've literally just put like a little bit of something on. And to be fair, the timing's like literally spot on, because what we're on now, it's like 20 to 10. And I'm getting picked up. I'm gonna turn my internet back on actually, because in case anyone's messaged me. Look how big my tripod is. But this is me basically ready to go. I just need to pack some things in a bag for Blake. I feel so weird having my hair up, but I just know I'm gonna really appreciate it when we get to the track and it's super bloody windy again. But I've packed a hoodie, I've packed a jacket for Blake, contact lens solution, and then what else do I need to pack? This is honestly so bliss. Just literally sat watching the beach. It's just so different how people have like so many, like such different lives based on where you live in the world. Like, this is like people's norm. Like, they just wake up every day and they're just like, I mean, do they even think what a vibe? Like, is this their version of cold because I'm here in November? Like, look at this view. I'm sorry, but this is just gorge. There's like a little bit of construction going on down here, but you kind of expect it, don't you? Especially like this time of the year when it's like off-peak season. Like, this is when places are going to be quieter, things are going to be like more true to what the locals experience. I don't know, it just makes you have like a whole new appreciation for stuff. And I think I've just been so reflective, like based on like everything that's happened recently with like me losing my job and stuff, like being made redundant. I don't know, I keep phrasing it in different ways, but basically being made redundant. I don't know, it's just a bit like there's just more to life than work. I don't know. Obviously we need work to survive and to live and have a quality of life that we want or that we can achieve with it. So obviously cost of living crisis is crazy, but I don't know, just makes you really appreciate things, doesn't it? And also thank the Lord that previously she paid this off before she got made redundant, because she'd be stressed. She'd be stressed to fuck. And same for my job next month. I think that stressed me out as well, thinking, oh my god, like I'm literally got 2 holidays planned in the next 2 weeks, next 2 months, and I've just lost my job. Like, that's a privileged thing to have and not a necessity, and I need to manage my money better. But what are you meant to do when you've already booked it and you didn't know you were losing your job? Do you know what I mean? What are you meant to do? Oh, I don't know, man. I don't know. Anyways, deep life chat over and done with. Let's tidy up this room, and then by the time that we've done that, it'll be time to go and get picked up and go see Blake, see how he's getting on, see how practice and all that's going. One of the lads that one of the lads actually has some races today, so he's got that on. And then I think at the end of the day, they've got some, I don't know, some race, not a race, I don't know. Honestly, I'm just here to live life. I'm kind of just going with the flow, because obviously Blake's just kind of started it with who we're with, and I'm just like a supportive girlfriend, really. That's all my role is right now. That's all that I need to be. So I'll maybe just get some stuff today, but obviously the main race is tomorrow, so I'll see you when I see you. Bye. Hello. I actually can't remember the last time that I spoke in this vlog, but I'm now home, as you can probably tell. Ignore my hair at the moment. I've literally just had a shower and just shoved it up so it didn't get wet. But I'm just getting ready to go out. So it is now Tuesday. Yeah. Don't think about me not working anymore. I haven't got a clue what day I'm on. It's Tuesday the 11th of November. We got back yesterday. I'm just putting a little bit of Glow recipe, what's it called? Plump? No. Watermelon Glow Nice and My Dew Drops. I'm getting it confused. We obviously landed last night. Got home like 9-ish, 9 p.m, half 9, 10-ish, something like that. And oh, it's so depressing to be back home in the cold, freezing weather. Like, it's just been raining all day today, and I have just been chilling, to be honest with you. It's currently 10 to 4, so I'm just shoving a little bit of makeup on because I'm actually meeting up with my work friends, because it's Becca's birthday, so we're all going for a meal. So I need to leave the house in like, what did I say it was, 10 to? You leave the house like 50 minutes, 50 minutes. So I'm just going to put a little bit of makeup on just so I feel a bit more fresh, and I've made a little bit of effort. But oh my god, coming home and picking like warm jumpers and stuff to put on, it's just so sad. And I've been wearing like little tops and leggings, and especially the last days, obviously like Monday was our day of like travelling back to the airport and stuff like that, so it was like mainly in the car, and then obviously when we got on the plane. But Sunday we had a full day to just chill, which I didn't really get much content of because I was literally just enjoying it. And I was in like a little shorts and shirt and like vest up set, and it was too hot for even the shirt that I had on, so I just like a little vest up and shorts and my little sandals. It was such a vibe. And then you literally come back in and you're like, it is absolutely freezing. I also didn't think I'd feel like a bit weird about the fact that I've come back from a holiday and I don't have a job to go to. Like, I've never had that experience before. And it's weird because like when you come back from holiday, you always think, oh, I should have a bit more time off before I went back to work. But now I'm kind of like wishing that I had work come in, if that makes sense, because I don't have a job at the moment. So, I don't know. It's such a very bizarre situation, to be honest. I'm going to go in with some of the Revolution Skin Silk, which, to be fair, I did this as like a little routine. Oh, literally got it everywhere in the lid and that. But I did this as like a little routine when I was on holiday, and it just gives you just a little bit of something. without being like too much. I actually filmed like a little TikToky get ready with me when I was away, because well, you'll have seen I had one morning where Blake was obviously went to the racetrack and stuff early, and I got to have like a little like lounge about kind of thing. So I like did a little TikTok video. So once that's posted, I'll post it as like a YouTube short as well, so that you can see it over here if you don't follow me on TikTok. But please go follow me on TikTok, because I'm going to start doing more content over there. Literally just before I went as well, this arrived. Huda Beauty blusher palette. I bought it off Vinted for like 20, I think I paid like 25 for it, because when I left I got a very generous leaving gift of money from like a roundup that everyone did, which was honestly like so lush, considering it was like such like a quick by way Lucy's leaving tomorrow, that's her last day. Like, yeah, I was well and truly spoiled and got the most gorgeous like cards and stuff. To be honest, I haven't even unpacked my bags from, I've unpacked 2 of them, but I haven't unpacked my stuff that was like all my stuff from my desk. I haven't unpacked that since I lost my job. It's still like sat behind me because I just couldn't bring myself to do it, but I'm gonna have to get around to doing it this week. But I got the most gorgeous cards as well, the most gorgeous messages and cards. Like, I was honestly absolutely spoiled. The love was very strong. But I just wanted to say I hope that you enjoyed this vlog, because it has been like a little bit here and there. It was honestly such a lovely holiday. Like, we will definitely be doing it again next year. I'm just so proud of Blake for like his race and stuff. Again, if you follow me on Instagram, you'll have seen I did like a little post. Well, I did it this morning, so by the time you've seen this vlog, it's been like well and truly up for a while. But I'm just so proud of Blake, like, for racing. And yeah, it was like a 8-hour endurance race, which I don't know if I've said until I edit this video back. The last few days, it's been so tiring but so rewarding. And we met, because obviously we went with, like I said to you the other day, we went with Blake's friend and his wife and their kids. Oh my god, they are the sweetest people ever. I really hope that we get to go away with them time and time again, because they were just absolutely gorgeous. And it's actually been really cute today, because Blake's been off work. He had like an extra day's annual leave, and just because he knew that he'd be knackered really. So today has been lush, very, very lush vibes, just chilling, doing some washing, watching Home and Away and catching up, because we had like 4 episodes that we hadn't caught up with when we were on holiday, because it was just like non-stop all the time, which is obviously amazing. But we were tired. I kind of feel like this is going to be like my first week being back and like starting to really process like the fact that I don't have a job anymore, and like the fact that like I'm not poorly anymore, because obviously the first week of me being like my first full week of being unemployed, I was ill. And then I was ill, and then we went on holiday. So like this is like my first proper week minus 2 days, I guess. First like 5 days really of just having a chance to process, sit down, apply for jobs properly, film YouTube videos. Like, I really want to give this a good go whilst I have this weird opportunity in my life where I have the time to try it. So yeah, I'm just feeling very like thankful and motivated. I know we had like a little chat, didn't we, in this vlog when I was on the balcony and stuff, and I was just kind of reminiscing, and you just kind of, I don't know, I feel like when stuff like this happens to you, which I'm seeing all over LinkedIn, like so many people are going through redundancies or roles being no longer needed and being cut, etc. I don't know, it just makes you like start thinking about things and just being like, there's more to life than work. Like, once you've paid your bills, like, you shouldn't be like just living for the weekend, which is definitely what I've been doing. And sometimes like just being so knackered when it comes to the weekend, like not really doing much, and then it feels like I was like recharging, ready for work again, if that makes any sense. So I don't know, I feel like it's just kind of opened my eyes to quite a lot. Just popped on some of the MAC powders, add a little bit more coverage, but also just to set everything because I can't bother doing my hood on. I feel like you didn't even get to see Blake really much in this vlog, because every time that I was vlogging was when he was, well, my main bit of me vlogging was really when he was doing the practice at the track, when he got a bit earlier than me. But obviously you'll see in the little clips of him when we were driving and stuff. But honestly, it was so warm, like it was between 20 to 24, 25 degrees. It was like a little bit nippy when it got to the race course, and like you'd have like more of like leggings and like a top, like a vest toppy kind of vibe. Then when it actually came to where our apartment was, like gorge, absolutely gorge along the sea. I think it's because the racetrack was like up in the mountains a bit more, so it was like higher, so it was a little bit colder. But it was, yeah, it was honestly such an amazing trip, and I think I definitely really needed that, and I'm so glad that I had that to look forward to. And I'd already like paid it all off, I think, before losing my job kind of thing, and I still got to go. I absolutely love this blusher. If you're not big on blusher and you like more peachy, if you like more peachy blusher, but also like a little bit of like pink to it as well, so it's not like too orangey, this is gorgeous, this Beauty Bay one. I know they've been doing a lot of sales recently on Tik Tok shop. Obviously I've just bought this years ago on Beauty Bay's website. But I don't know if this is getting discontinued or whether that's in the sales or not, but I would really recommend it. It's actually really, really nice. Just gives you like a little bit of colour. I hope you can see that because I haven't got a clue. If my camera settings are good, I've just changed them again because they're just not hitting right. I think I am ready to go. My hair could be good done with a straighten or a curl or I don't know, something, but this is the best I'm gonna get. My lips are so dry from like being on the plane, and I can't even say the aircon because the aircon was broke in the apartment, so it's definitely not the aircon. Oh, this is barely anything comes out of this. This W7 thick drip. Just trying to put a little bit of gloss on. Because, like I said, that was that noise, by the way, that was not me. We're going for something to eat, so I just wanted something glossy on my lips. Because obviously it's going to come off as soon as I bite into my burger. Bit of Fenty glass will do. I just wanted to end this vlog and just say thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. I don't even know what it's going to end up looking like, but I hope you enjoyed it regardless. And I'll see you very soon for a brand new video. There's going to be so much more content coming, which is just so exciting because I don't have a job anymore to get in the way of putting me off and distracting me and draining me anymore. So this bit of hair is annoying me though. I love you so much. Thank you so much. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.